Hi, welcome to Vegan Finds. You may have noticed I got a haircut. Thank you very much. Anyway, so tonight we're going to be cooking chicken pot pie in the style of a vegan. So that means, for those of you who are just tuning in, no real chicken, no dairy, nothing animal based at all. So for those of you who like to comment and say, that's not chicken, we understand. We get it. Thank you. So, on to the cooking part. We're going to be using, for our base, Violife Feta cheese and Violife Provolone cheese. And I know that sounds a little weird, but when you combine the two, it tastes like chicken pot pie. I swear. So, I will show you how to cook this, and I'll be back in a moment. Okay, so in the pan I have about a half a tablespoon of oil, and I'm going to start sauteing the onions. Now you want the onions to cook until they're just translucent. So we'll cook these up, and I will be back with the next step. So into our pan we're going to be adding some peas and carrots. And you could add as much or as little as you like. We're adding in one partially cooked potato. This was microwaved. Give that a little stir. Some corn, because somebody here likes corn. That would be me. I don't know if that's traditionally in chicken pot pie. It's in my chicken pot pie. And because somebody really likes peas and carrots in this household, we're going to actually use the whole bag. So, and this was just a bag of frozen.
You want celery, that's what's in
there. Well, I'm being told we could have used some celery, but oh well. I'll put it in the instructions. You can do it as you like. It's whatever veggies you like. So we have the oven preheating for 350 because we are going to be putting this into a pie shell. The Holy Gluten Free pie shell, which you've seen us use for our quiches and whatnot, and you know, it's great. It bakes up great. Nobody can tell that it's not a gluten-based product or a non-vegan product. Now I'm going to add the cheese to this. So we got the Violife cheese. That's one package of provolone and one package of the Feta. That's all going into this pan, and we're going to start to cook it down. Now the pie shell we pre-baked for about 5 minutes. Normally we don't, but we thought, you know what, this might get a little bit more liquidy than we normally put into the pan. So we're going to cook this down, let it melt a little bit, and we'll be back and show you how to finish this off in a few minutes.
So as you can see, it started to melt. Oh, by the way, I replaced him. We can make terrible, terrible jokes about me replacing him. I keep telling him the older he gets, I'm going to trade him in. How old are you now? 52?
Yes, I'm 52. I look that good.
I can replace you for 2.
Okay. You want me to pour some of this in?
Yeah. No.
Okay.
It's too much. Too much.
Not too much.
So he just threw in about a tablespoon of no chicken. You can't see that. Why am I doing it that way? That you can see. No chicken broth by Image.
Imagine.
And now you can see it's starting to bubble. I'm going to sprinkle on top of that. Just sprinkle. I'm not measuring it out because, again, this is by taste. Because some people are not going to like the taste of the new Trader Joe's chicken.
Yes, it's the vegan chickenless seasoning salt. So this is your salt. I'm having trouble figuring out where to move it. There we go. Sorry. I can't help it. Somebody called me cute.
Who called you cute?
I don't know. Somebody who follows you.
Called you cute?
Yeah.
Well, if you called him cute, please leave a comment down below because I don't believe you.
It was on Twitter.
No. They said we're cute. We're cute.
I only hear I'm cute.
Yeah, you only heard you.
Okay, so when do we add the quote-unquote chicken?
We're going to add it now.
Okay, so this is the Sweet Earth Mindful Chicken plant-based protein. There you go.
We just found this and we've been anxious to try it.
So we're trying it.
Because it's gluten-free and vegan. And that's a little hard to come by when you're talking about
Looks so good.
when you're talking about things like fake chicken.
Actually, any of the fake meats.
Yeah,
They almost always have wheat in them. So for you gluten-free folks, I believe you're in luck. Did I eat this in something?
no, you had it in a quesadilla.
Oh, I had it in quesadilla.
I let you eat it. I made you.
She wanted to make sure that
He wasn't going to die.
right. Actually, she was hoping, but
That's true. That's true.
all right. This looks good. I think we
I
may
think
need
it-
another
What?
pie shell.
I don't
That's
know.
what I'm gonna fit in there. How's it taste? Good.
Okay, so we're going to get our pie shell ready. We're also going to cut up strips of puff pastry. That's it. That's the word I'm looking for.
Yep. Put on top.
To put on top. Okay, and we'll see you in a few minutes.
Okay, you can put your strips.
I'm getting it.
It's okay, I'm not recording. Oh, shoot, I am recording. Never mind. For those of you who are now watching us live,
Oh my god, are you kidding?
yeah, I'm streaming this live on Facebook, Twitter,
That's not funny.
Instagram,
That's not funny.
any Vimeo, TikTok,
OnlyFans.
OnlyFans, any others? I don't know what OnlyFans is.
You don't want to know what OnlyFans is.
Yeah. Why do you know?
Because everybody that I watch on YouTube has an OnlyFans. Not everybody. Just a good portion of them.
Oh, look at how pretty you're doing this. The lighting on this just really stinks. One of these days, I gotta look up YouTube lighting for food. Or maybe there's some people out there who actually know how to light this I'll say these videos. I don't want to say crud.
It's my food you're talking about.
Well,
So here's the thing.
it's not there. Okay. So here's the thing.
We made 2 of these, so this one's now going to go in the oven.
Right. For 25
The other
minutes.
one looks much prettier. So here we have our finished pot pie.
Why don't you use the
It was in the oven for
25
to 30 minutes till the top got golden. If you like this recipe, hit the like button. If you like more of these recipes, subscribe. If you're already subscribed, thank you. We love having you back. If you're new to the channel, we are Vegan Finds.
And don't forget to hit the little bell.
Don't forget to hit that little bell and leave a comment down below. We like comments down below, but please don't come on here if you're triggered about the word chicken.